Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Biology Past Question 14. The rods in the retina of the eye are examples of A. Cells, B. Tissues, C. Organs, D. System. Now, let's start by defining each of these concepts. Cell. Now, cell simply refers to the basic units of life, that is, the structural and functional units. The structural and functional units of life. Now, tissue are made up of cells. Tissues are made up of cells which comes together to perform a specific function. Example is the muscle tissue, e.g., the muscle tissue is a typical example. Then organs are a group of tissues. Organs are a group of tissues that perform a specific task. Then system is a combination of different organs. Group of different organs. Group of different organs that also perform what's a specific function. Example of the system includes the respiratory system. Now, the question says the rod in the retina of the eye are examples of. Now, in the eyes, we have what we call the photoreceptors. Photoreceptors. Now, photoreceptors are cells that are receptive to what? To light. Photoreceptors are the one responsible for the conduction of light rays and then convert them into impulse that the brain interpret them, and then we are able to see. Now, these photoreceptors in the eye include the rods and the cones. The rods and cones are photoreceptors, and photoreceptors are cells. They occur at cellular level. Now, the rods enable us to view what? For dark, enables black and white vision. The rods enables black and white vision, while the cones are responsible for what? For color vision. But the rods and cones are cells. So the rods in the retina of the eye responsible for black and white vision is actually a cell. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.